How to do market survey before starting paper bag making business. In India, single-use plastic has been banned from July 2022. Why we do market survey? To learn and build confidence on selling paper bags in your base market. First, choose your market sectors where you can sell paper bags. Cafe, restaurants, textile shops, or retail shops. Analyze how many market sectors have requirement of paper bags. If you couldn't find any paper bag usage in your base market sectors, say hooray, you are first person going to introduce and market paper bags. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Learn with us how to make paper bags at low cost. FTC Machines, Coimbatore.